Finding oldest emails in Gmail is actually very simple, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do that. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I want you to do is log into your Gmail account. Once that's done, on the left sidebar I want you to click on more, and you're going to see all mail. You're going to click on all mail. Now what this does is it allows you to view all emails in all the folders or labels that are in your email. Now from here you can go to the page pagination here, where you see 1 to 99 of 2,243. That's the total number of emails that are in this email address, and it's showing from newest first, so it's from newest email to the oldest one. Once you click on this and you click on oldest, it's going to show you the oldest email. That's it. As you can see here, it says 2nd of June 2024. That's the oldest one, and it's showing 99 of them on this page. So per page you get 99 emails. Now another thing you can also do is you can have a more refined search, and in this search bar you can use this query which says before : and you can put a date. This basically works if you have an idea of the year of the emails you're looking for, and once you click on search, it's going to give you everything before 2024, but you can also use after here, and it's going to give you everything after 2024. Now as you can see, that's how you find the oldest emails in Gmail. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.